Hi, I'm Roxy, and I've been creating content for the past 9 years. I first started my blog, then it led into a YouTube channel. I have got married, had 2 beautiful babies, and in all that time, we managed to buy a multi-unit complex, and we are hoping to expand. This was an idea that I've been having for years. I've been wanting to do this project for so long. I feel like Instagrammers, YouTubers only share what they want you to see, so everything might look picture perfect. And even when, like, you know, people vlog every day, but they only show you 20 minutes, again, of what they want you to see. So I kind of wanted to show everything, the behind the scenes, the real and the raw. So on Social Blade, it says that my YouTube and my Instagram is a C+. Like, what the hell? It tells you, like, every day how many negatives and then how many followers. So then I'll get like 2 followers, 1 follower. Yeah. But then when I'm losing 12, it like doesn't make any sense. It's like, I can't lose 12 and gain 1.
That's tough.
I think we need to have a meeting and discuss, like, with the team, like, moving forward in 2020, like, what is gonna happen, so that way everybody's on the same page and we can really, like, capitalize in what we're doing and have a real strategy. The days of, like, just doing it for fun is over. What do I do? Because on Instagram, I'm just, like, declining, like, every day. And it's not just, like, I'm losing, like, 5 followers. I'm losing hundreds of followers.
Bleeding followers.
Yes. I'm like, what is going on? I'm like, I feel like I'm on, like, some kind of Instagram, like
punked or something?
Yes. Okay, so I basically wanted to have, like, a meeting just to discuss some, like, 2020 goals. So obviously we want to continue to do the photos and videos and create the content that we need to create. And so far I've been able to get brand deals to kind of pay for the team and basically put my money back into the business. So that's awesome, but I want to shoot more content, you know, whatever it might be, and obviously pay more. That being said, I wanted to do, like, this series, and hopefully it sheds light on you know, the struggles, because it's not just all like, hey, we're doing videos for fun and you know, taking pretty pictures. Like, it is an actual business.
I don't think you give out enough content for everybody to believe or understand how you are a businesswoman. I think being an entrepreneur is really difficult, and I think a lot of people will inspire to that. And whether you're providing content, you're selling cell phones, you're selling TV, you're running a company, like, if it's a woman doing all this, people are very interested.
Okay, I think this is my good side, Jesse, on my right.
Good, because this is
Where that line is. All right.
All right, so this is some real behind the scenes. It's not all glamorous. I changed in my car between takes, but we gotta do what we gotta do. So I had this brand deal, and it was not even like anything crazy, but like it was for stories, and they just never paid. And Javi was like, this is not okay. Like, he's like, if this is from 2019, like, and you're being really nice, Roxy. And I'm like, well, there's only so much I can do, you know?
I agree. I mean, I feel like we obviously follow up,
yeah,
and then follow up on a follow up, and then you kind of wait a month because you're like, let me give them some time. Maybe it's processing. Maybe it's in the mail.
Right. I know.
Maybe a bird ate it.
supposedly she sent my invoice to payments or whatever they call it, their end, and I just haven't heard back. I still I mean, I've emailed her twice. I kind of want to give her like
Emailed
three
her, like,
times.
Today?
I mean, I emailed her like 2 weeks ago and a week ago, probably. It's like, hey, what's going
call
on?
her. Email. Hey, how you doing? Give me a call back as soon as you get a chance. This is receivables for Roxy Limon. I'm trying.
I'm doing good. How about yourself?
I'm doing great. I just received a letter from an attorney's office for a potential claim on my homeowner's insurance for one of my tenants that lives in the complex. Incident occurred in premises. Please note that the results of the incident are negligence by the client has suffered various injuries and damages to his person. So it's not specific. It's just, like I said, it's just the letter to threaten. So it's like part one of the saga.
Yeah. And do you have any information?
So what do you want people to take away from this series?
Mostly women, girls. I want them to feel empowered, to believe in themselves, and know that they can have it all. If you want that life, whatever that might mean to you, if it's get married, have kids, travel the world, have your dream home, you can do it. You just have to work very, very hard, and it could be yours. It could be yours if you just work really hard. I think that was like kind of perfect.